Engines hum, batteries prime, sun on granite, it's flying time. Boots on rock, the wind's alive. Buffaloes calling, time to rise. Cliffs stand tall like they own the sky. Thermals rolling, clouds drifting by. Control it tight, heart beats fast. One clean launch, no looking back. Hear that buzz cut through the air. Crosswinds dancing everywhere. One wrong move, one perfect line. This bird is mine, she's flying fine. High in the rotor zone, where the air gets thin and wild. Chasing shadows off the stone, over valleys deep and wide. Push it hard, but fly it smart. Feel that freedom overload. From the horn to Cresta's heart, welcome to the rotor zone. Skimming ridges, granite glow. Snow gums bent from years of blows. Cresta Valley, far below. A ribbon of green where the cold winds blow. Yaw and pitch, let her lean. Thread the gaps in between. Sunlight flashes off the lens. This is living, not just trends. Warning beeps, but I hold the line. Trust the gear, trust the signs. Respect the mountain, read the sky. Fly it cleaner, don't even try. Up in the rotor zone, where the gusts don't play it safe. Stone and sky have overthrown every limit you thought you'd face. No second takes, no auto glide. Just skill and nerve alone. Edge of reason, edge of pride. You fly in the rotor zone. Wind screaming through the frame. Never fly it tame. Granite walls that drop below. Every move is a yes or no. Rotor wine rising. Battery low, but the shot's too good. Golden hour like it should. Circle wide, bring her home. Mountains nod, you've been shown. Feet back on the solid ground. Still hear that flying sound. Replay rolling, hands still shake. That's the risk you choose to take. Straight through the rotor zone, where respect keeps you alive. Flying lines carved into stone, on the edge where legends fly. From Mount Buffalo's crown of stone to Cresta Valley's open road. If you feel the pull, you already know. You belong in the rotor zone. Engines down, but the rush remains. Sky still calling name. Tomorrow's light, another go. Back into the rotor zone. Rotor zone. charging. Battery low, but the shot's too good. Golden hour like it should. Circle wide, bring her home. Mountains nod, you've been shown. Feet back on the solid ground. Still hear that flying sound. Replay rolling, hands still shake. That's the risk you choose to take. Straight through the rotor zone, where respect keeps you alive. Flying lines carved into stone, on the edge where legends fly. From Mount Buffalo's crown of stone to Cresta Valley's open road. If you feel the pull, you already know you belong in the rotor zone. Engines down, but the rush remains. Sky still calling your name. Tomorrow's light, another go. Back into the